Siapa.fm.
One pot rice.
Why you measure water with cup? Just use finger.
Yes,
Finger. You put
kita
rice,
Asia
put
pakai
water
finger with
until
nasi.
Finger. First joint the finger. That's how you measure the water, not with British teacup. Hiya. First step all wrong already.
Sarah React. Kali ini kita ada video-video baru yang kita nak reactkan, video baru ke video lama ke tak kisahlah, asalkan kita belum buat lagi reactionnya terhadap video itu.
Benda.
Okay? Ya. Yeah. Susah ya nak translatekan benda tu dalam otak because I always speak Chinese at home.
Okay, hi Sarah.
Ya. Yeah.
Okay, you kenal tak Uncle Roger?
Uncle Roger. Kenal lah.
Oh, kenal.
Kenal.
Okay, hari tu kan dia viral. I mean, rasanya bulan Julai kot dia viral, sangat-sangat viral.
Ya. Yeah.
So, I macam study lah siapa dia ni. Rupanya dia adalah Malaysian born.
Dia Malaysian born, dia bukan Singaporean?
Tak, dia adalah orang Malaysia.
Oh.
Malaysia, born tapi duduk di UK.
Okay.
And dia adalah seorang komedian. So, Uncle Roger ni adalah karakter dia lah sebenarnya. So, hari tu dia viral sebab dia buat reaction.
Dekat nasi
dia marah gila satu chef ni daripada UK.
Ha.
Masak nasi tapi dia toast nasi tu.
Okay.
So, ni lah video dia react kepada video tu. Dan you react kepada dia.
Dan I kena react kepada Uncle Roger.
Hello, my name is Uncle Roger. Today I will react to a video sent to me by a fan. It's the BBC Good Food How to Make Egg Fried Rice video. What is BBC? Let me see. Is it like something dirty, like big black? Oh, it's the British Broadcasting Corporation. Okay.
Okay, Uncle Roger.
That
Yeah, BBC, okay.
Uncle Roger, not into the other BBC. Let's play the video.
Sedapnya nasi goreng.
Egg fried rice. Don't be afraid. This is really simple. It's cheap. It's delicious. Really satisfying. Rice. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
Who afraid of egg fried rice? It's the most common dish. Everybody eat egg
Orang
fried
bukan
rice.
takut lah,
Who
Roger.
afraid? Why are you afraid of egg
Bukan
fried
takut
rice?
nasi
Where
goreng
your
ni,
courage?
orang takut nak
Uncle
masak.
Roger scare ghost, but you scare egg fried rice. Failure.
This is really simple. It's cheap. It's delicious. Really satisfying. And it's like a takeaway, but you haven't paid £8 for it.
Who pay £8 for takeaway egg fried rice? My God, they think money go on tree paying
£8 berapa ringgit,
for egg fried rice.
Oh, mahal.
Darat 5.
So a lot of people get afraid of cooking with rice, but you can follow a really simple rule, which is for every 1 part rice you have, you need 2 parts water. It's as simple as that.
One pot rice.
Why you measure water with cup? Just use finger.
Yes,
You put
kita
rice,
Asia
put
pakai
water
finger with
until
nasi.
Finger. First joint the finger. That's how you measure the water, not with British teacup. Hiya. First step all wrong already. I am not confident this video is gonna be good.
Uncle Roger patut try semua resepi yang dia kritik ni.
Now the rice is on.
Wait, so you don't wash the rice? How you don't wash the rice? Just cook the rice. Now the rice stinky like you. Where you learn how to make rice? Some white people cooking school or something.
So now the rice is on, it's time to crack
Nah,
on
dia tak
with
basuh
the
nasi
egg.
tu. Sebab tu lah dia buang air tu.
Crack on. I see what you're doing. So punny, so humorous. I dying laughing.
Hai, dekat sini.
I've got a
I akan
frying
kecam
pan
Uncle Roger
here.
sebab Uncle
Get
Roger
that
tak
onto
faham
a
video
medium
ni.
heat, and then just add a little bit of oil.
Uncle Roger
let that
ni.
heat up.
I dah faham dah video ni.
One.
Okay. Egg in egg
I'm
fried
going to
rice.
try and do this
That's good.
one-handed.
Oh. Okay, that's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive.
Siapa
I give
boleh
you
pecah
that.
kata telur satu tangan?
Halfway.
I tak
Once
boleh.
it's on a simmer,
Kulit tu akan masuk kat
you
dalam.
wanna cook it for around 10 minutes.
You know what I don't like? Uncle Roger don't like induction stove. You know, those stove with no fire. Uncle Roger need the
Yeah,
fire.
same Uncle Roger.
Who use induction
I like
stove?
fire also.
It's so lame.
No
so
induction.
not satisfying. You go camping, you set up campfire. You don't set up camp induction stove. Oh, come everybody, come sit around this camp induction stove. Let's tell story. Let's make marshmallow.
10 minutes. Wang your eggs in.
Sedap ni.
Wang your what she say? What she say?
Wang your eggs in.
Wang your eggs in. Don't put wang anywhere near your egg fried rice. Don't wang anything in kitchen, okay? That's how I got fired from Chinese restaurant.
Onto a plate, leave it to one side.
Okay.
Okay, rice. We are looking good.
The rice not looking good. You lying to people. So wet.
Drain it.
Drain. What's she doing? What's she doing? Drain the. Oh my.
Dia drain rice ni because tadi dia tak basuh. Nasi ni lepas tu nasi tu kan basah
Don't bring
sangat. Dia
colander
buang
into
lah
your rice
itu.
cooking. Hiya.
Hiya,
Get a nice
Roger.
rice cooker. Don't mess with saucepan like this lady here. Don't mess with colander. If your rice too wet, you recook the rice. No way to save wet rice.
There's a way to save wet rice, okay, Uncle Roger? See, barulah dia basuh nasi tu sebab tadi dia tak cuci nasi tu walaupun pelik lah cara dia, but legit lah.
I put my leg down from chair. Why are you running water through You're ruining the rice. First you use colander to dry the rice and then you put
Ya, tapi
water.
basah
Then
lah
why
nasi ni kan
bother
kalau dia basuh
drying the
lepas tu.
rice? Who cook rice like this? How did
Dia
this
kita tengok
woman
macam
get
mana
on
dia goreng
BBC
nasi tu.
Food? They never asked Uncle Roger. Uncle Roger teach masterclass on making rice, but this woman colander on the rice, then water through the rice. This is Uncle Roger sad now.
But there's a way to save wet rice, okay? Jangan buang.
Now, and then just add your garlic and ginger.
Garlic, ginger. Okay, classic Asian seasoning. Okay, this one okay.
And then you want to put all the other ingredients in. Rice.
Oh, the sad, gloopy rice that ran through colander.
Tapi okey je nasi dia. Tak nampak berair pun.
Spring onions. And
Okay.
peas. And then you just want to stir it all together and cook it through for about 3 to 5 minutes.
This look okay, but look too healthy. Where your MSG? You don't use MSG. How to make good egg fried rice? This is just white people egg fried rice. MSG is the king of flavor. If you sad in
Ya,
life, use MSG.
orang Malaysia pun
If
suka
you
guna
happy
MSG.
in
I
life,
masak tak
use
pakai MSG. I
Put
takut.
MSG in everything.
I takut botak.
It'll turn it
Sebab mak suka
better.
takut kan.
You
Kau
just
makan
get a
MSG
baby,
tu nanti kepala kau
put
botak.
MSG on baby. It'll be better baby,
So, I
smarter.
tak pakai
That's
MSG
done.
sekarang. Okey je nasi ni tak nampak basah pun.
The colours are still
Oh
vibrant.
no.
Apa lagi ni? Oh, terima kasih dia bersih.
You're using metal to scrape your saucepan. Hiya, this is non-stick saucepan. Cannot use metal. Hiya, your parents never teach you. If I use metal on saucepan at home growing up, I will be this old. No more parents.
Yes.
Why are you orphan? I use metal on saucepan. Mom don't want me anymore. Very few things break Asian people heart. One is when your rice run out. Number two is when you scrape pan with metal
Betul, ni
spoon.
betul.
First my wife leave me.
Memang
now
mak
you
kau akan
scrape
maki
pan
kau
with
kalau kau
metal.
pakai sudu besi
Hiya,
atau apa-apa
Uncle
besi
Roger,
dekat
one of the
non-stick
super
pan.
So delicious.
I dah selalu kena dah dulu.
Why are you proud of yourself? You messed up everything. You scrape saucepan with metal. You dry the rice and wet the rice and dry the rice with colander. You don't use MSG. Why this woman proud of herself? Egg fried rice, Uncle
Ada tak
Roger
video
know
Uncle
how to
Roger
make egg
memasak?
fried rice and Uncle Roger
Tak
3-year-old
rasa.
and this lady, I don't know,
Itu ada.
34.
Tapi
make
dia
egg
banyak
fried
kritik orang
rice
lah.
on induction
Dia
hob.
lepas tu dia kritik pada Ramsay, pada Jamie Oliver.
Okay, Uncle Roger. You talk so much, Uncle Roger. I challenge you to cook
BBC
something.
Good Food, this is not good video. People use this video, make egg fried rice, and they think egg fried rice disgusting. Not good for Chinese culture. BBC Good Food, next time you want to make egg fried rice video, ask Uncle Roger.
So, apa you rasa? Resepi nasi goreng telur.
I rasa okey je nasi goreng fried rice
Egg fried rice.
Nasi goreng macam nasi goreng Cina kot sebenarnya. Chinese style lah kita panggil. I rasa okey je cara dia. Cuma yang peliknya bila nasi tu dah masak, dia basuh balik. Itu macam pelik lah. Tapi I rasa sebab dia tosskan nasi tu akhirnya kering. Masa dia masuk dalam pan tu tak nampak basah pun. Tak nampak pun ada dripping air ke apa ke. But better basuh sebelum dia jadi nasi lah. Seberasa korang basuh lah. Tapi why not? Mungkin kita boleh cuba cara ni. Kita tak pernah cuba cara ni. Masak nasi baru basuh.
Nak basuh nasi macam mana?
You tak pernah toss nasi. Kita tak pernah toss
Kau jadi
nasi.
bubur.
Sebab dia masak nasi tu bukan dalam periuk nasi. Dia masak secara yang tradisional tu, tak nak nasi. So bila air extra dia buang, tapi dia basuh tu something wrong somewhere.
Dia macam masak pasta. Cara dia buat.
Cara dia.
Sebab tu dia cakap awal macam, oh jangan takut masak nasi. Rasa sebab dia orang dah
Sebab
selalu
susah
makan
kot.
pasta kot.
Pada diorang susah masak nasi. Sebab kalau tak pakai rice cooker, memang susah kot nak tanak nasi.
Betul.
Ya, sebab orang Masaleh, dia tak makan nasi on regular basis. So, rice cooker tu macam tak penting.
Dia tahu cara nak macam nasi basah, keringkan dia.
Kau biar je lah rice cooker tu on lama-lama. Nanti dia kering lah lama-lama.
Aku ingat ada life hack apa
No,
tadi.
kau on je. Biar je dia macam, oh nasi terbasah. Kau biar je suisu on lama-lama. Nanti nasi tu akan kering. Trust me. Ataupun korang buat macam ni yang campak je kat atas pan tu buat dia macam nasi goreng. Kering lah dia. Api kena besar. Kering lah dia. Buat je nasi goreng. Nasi goreng sedap. Oh, nasi goreng lembik. Oh, sedap ke. I suka gila nasi goreng lembik. I tak tahu kenapa orang suka nasi goreng yang macam keras-keras dan nasi dia melompat-lompat gila. No. Nasi goreng lembik. I tell you. Korang boleh komen lah nak I react video apa. Nak makan apa next time. Kita akan makbulkan permintaan korang. Bye.
Hot FM.